Hello everybody, I hope everybody's having a great day today. I know you're all wondering, why are we looking at a clean raggy towel that I only use for cleaning in the house or declutters or counting or just playing around and feeling the pills in it. Because I am finally going to put this together. This is supposed to be, I'm a little miffed about this because this is supposed to replace the one where I put my quads, my eyeshadow quads in my drawer, and it's supposed to be the whole height of the drawer. Like, I'm supposed to be able to put it like this and the rest of my palettes like this. I'll try to put in pictures of what my drawer looks before and after for my eyeshadows. And it took me at least a month to be able to find something to fit the dimensions, and this gave me 2 millimeters of wiggle room in there. Well, guess what? They don't fit. I can put this in about 1 inch in the drawer as it is without the joys of screws and bolts and ends. So I am miffed. It did not come with instructions, but I'm pretty sure I can figure it out. So I thought it'd be a cool thing to do with you guys and either speed it up or keep on babbling. Which is something that I seem to be doing a lot of. Do I put the bolt inside or outside? I'm going to put the bolt inside. So, hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. No, you can't, because I can't keep paying attention to 20 things at once. Okay, so there is that on that side. Bolts, my fat fingers, which is why I have my mini channel locks, which are mine, even though my hubby comes in my room to steal some of my tools sometimes. Even though he's got a full shed of tools and a utility room full of tools, he comes and steals my little tools. I have like maybe 10 tools and he still comes to steal mine. Okay, I'm in a very precarious corner here because when these drawers went in, this channel was not thought of, but this is done. Okay, this was supposed to go that way where my little ones are right now, but it does not. It does not. So it's gonna have to go where my ColourPop is. And I hope you don't get too annoyed with the clankety clankety clank. It's not ASMR, it's nasty clankety clankety clank. So I have to take out my little ones first because I have to take out that little makeup eyeshadow holder right there. And I just hope I don't drop anything in the process. Okay, that can go there for now. I'll probably forget it's even there. And my 2 Charlotte Tilbury. Okay. See, I needed this one to be just a tiny bit longer. Just a tiny bit. Just the width of a ColourPop palette. Oh, good grief. Okay. So we'll put that there. God only knows where I'm going to put this now. Okay. Back on English history. Whoa. Stay. So that goes there. Nope, that's not going to stay there. And yes, I do put some of these in my makeup because Ottawa is a very humid city. Okay. Oh, good. Oh, good. Okay. There's still no place for ColourPop, but oh, good. So, I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. Ooh. My 2 Charlotte Tilburys and are right there. And if you guys don't know, I like smaller palettes best. Tom Ford can go there. Ow, that was my elbow. Pat. Am I gonna have a row of Pat? I can. And oh. Another Tom Ford. So Charlotte and Tom Ford are together and Rowan is behind it. My 2 Revlons, I have 2, speaking of Natasha Denona. I did say I could have a whole row of it. I'm gonna put that. I hope you guys can see this. And I can even put them almost side by side. Okay. Kitty corner. And my 2 Revlon creams will go behind there. Now, what else do I have that is small enough? I can actually put Hip Dot up here and By Terry. Ooh, I've got another By Terry, but it's really long. Actually, I can put it in front. Okay, that works. What do I do with ColourPop, people? What do I do other than try to break it with ColourPop? I can put that one there because it's a bigger one. Boudoir Noir. Twist of Slate and Set in Stone will also fit here. And so will Starlit and my two little ones that I had. Okay, now here is one set of ColourPop, and here's the rest of ColourPop. And I'm gonna get cranky because this gives me even less space to put palettes. Because I still have one more. Oh, I still have a couple of palettes that need to go in there. Let's see if I can put, of course, Red by the Rosé. Yep. Yep. I just want to be able to go, what do I want? You guys see my head? My big fat head. And there. I need space for two more palettes. I don't want to say what they are yet. Is it just two palettes? Yeah, just two palettes. I've got at least one, and I should be able to do it. I should be able to do it. I should be able to do it. I just don't like my ColourPop separated like that. Can I put my Madame Pat here with her big palette? I've got room to grow. I've got room to grow. Not a lot, because I can always, if I have to, sneak palettes like this, if they are palettes that I cannot live without. Oh, look at that. Sorry. There. That's even better. There we go. Tetris at its best. This one worries me though because it's so tall. Okay, I'm gonna put it behind the Revlon because it worries me. I don't want it to fly back there by accident. I got room. I got room. I got room in my beauty room, and it's gonna have to go over there. No, I don't, because I know it. Ha, okay, that's even better. It's gonna get decluttered. What happens when I want more ColourPop palettes though? They have to go there. Yeah, it would have been better if I could have put it this way. Amazon measurements do not work. Well, I was going to declutter. I brought this back. It was in my declutter pile, and I saw so many people do videos with it that I have to do another one. I have to do another video before I make up my mind again, because it's not a cheap palette. I did get it for super discounted rate, but it doesn't matter. It's not a cheap palette. And my Natasha Denonas are not going anywhere. They can turn to sand for all I care. And this one not going anywhere either. This was a gift from Melissa, and these are so beautiful, and just like, look at that. Like, I can't. This is a one and done for me. This not going anywhere. Okay, so me and my dirty fingers now will say thank you everybody once again for coming to visit with me. And watching me struggle trying to figure out how to organize this thing. And I'm going to have to insert an extra clip once I put in the rest of the palettes, the other two that I received. Please leave me a comment, like my video, and subscribe to my channel. A bientôt!